And welcome back to Primetime Sports Tuesday. President and owner of the Phoenix Academy, Craig Butler, has been served with court documents to appear before the Halfway Tree Courthouse next month on a physical abuse charge filed by his son and national under-23 footballer Kyle Butler. Now here's Keon Rayner with the latest in this ongoing saga.
Confirmation that 22-year-old Kyle Butler is taking his father Craig to court on charges of physical abuse came Tuesday afternoon from the senior Butler's attorney, Christopher Townsend.
Well, the police have served summons on him today, and the matter is to be before the court on the 11th of January. We also anticipate that young Butler will also be served a summons sometime today or tomorrow, and we anticipate that it will be in and around the same date.
Up to sports time, Kyle's lawyer, Queen's Counsel Tom Tavares Finson, did not confirm that his client had also been served with court documents. He also declined to comment on the record. However, Craig's lawyer, Christopher Townsend, is optimistic that the matter could be settled between the two legal teams prior to the hearing in just over a month.
We are hopeful for a peaceful resolution. Even though it has escalated to this point, we're still hopeful that that the resolution will be peaceful and amicable. The lawyers in the matter, we are not antagonistic to each other, and we recognize that there is a need for both sides to sit and talk.
On November 30, 22-year-old Butler made a series of tweets including photographs of a wound to his hand, claiming he was stabbed during a training session at the Mona High School. He also posted more claims showing cuts to his lip and what appeared to be a wound inflicted by a hot iron. Craig Butler subsequently denied any wrongdoing in the matter, labeling the allegation of physical abuse as unfounded. Keon Rayner reporting for TVJ Sports.